Hey, Miss Alec, I'm about to do a screencast to show you how to set up Facebook Live through your Zoom account in case you want to try to use that for the guest speaker tomorrow. So the first thing that you need to do before it's going to let you do it is you need to log into the Zoom account. Not GoGuardian. You need to log into the Zoom account that you're going to use to host the meeting. You're going to come over here to your settings, and you're going to choose the Advanced in-Meeting Settings. And once you're way down here, you're going to scroll until you see, what are we looking for? Allow live streaming of meetings. Right here, it is set as a default to off, and so you'll need to turn it on, and then once you've turned it on, you need to make sure that Facebook is clicked. Once you've done that, you should be set up to be able to use Facebook Live through your Zoom account. You will need to, I made you an admin on our Clark Middle Facebook page just a few minutes ago. You'll need to accept that invitation before it's going to let you connect using that page. Otherwise, it's just going to connect straight to your profile. Once you've done that, you want to start a meeting. Let's see, easiest way to start a meeting is just for me to start an instant meeting. So that's what I'm going to do. So it doesn't matter whether it's a scheduled meeting or whatever kind of meeting you have. You're going to start a meeting like you normally would. You're going to allow people to enter. You're going to manage it the way you would manage anything else. And then, 5 or 10 minutes before you want to be live, probably 5 minutes because it takes about 5 minutes to do the setup, you're going to come down here to More. You should see Live on Facebook as an option. You're going to click that. It's going to ask you where you want the video to go. You don't want it to go to your news feed. You want to share it on a page you manage, which if you've accepted my invitation to be an admin on the Clark Middle page, you should see these things. And you're going to click Next. Once you do that, it's going to try to get the stream ready. It's going to connect your Zoom to the Facebook. And this takes just a couple of minutes, which is again why you should try to prep this just a couple of minutes before you're ready to do it. It's going to require a title. I'm titling mine Test 2 right now. I haven't messed with any of the settings. You can give a little description saying, come visit with Broderick Flanagan, who's speaking to our students, or whatever you want to say. And then you're going to come all the way down. It takes just a minute to get connected. Oh, it wants us to make a description. So I'll just do test again. You notice once both of those fields are entered, it's going to give you this option down here that says Go Live. Once you're ready, you're just going to click Go Live. It's setting it up all right now to go live. Connecting to all the Facebook machine. Now it's going to direct us to that page. And you'll see we're now live on Facebook. And then if you want to send the link, you're going to come here, you're going to click Copy Link, and you're going to send that out to everyone who needs it. And they'll be able to go directly to our Facebook live stream. So I'm going to turn our live stream off right now so that I'm not continuing to talk to people out in the interwebs. I'm going to delete this post so we don't confuse people. There it goes. And go back to my Zoom that I've got set up. I'm going to end it. And that is how you use Facebook Live to stream your Zoom to a larger audience. Now I can't figure out how to turn off my screencasting tool.